Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic look without breaking the bank. To create a cinematic look you need just 2 or 3 lights, which I both have. Well, I actually have two lights, and I have a fill light and I have a reflector, which is the reflector is I made a small one with um, some aluminum foil and something like that. It's a cheap one. That's the cheapest one you can get. Anyway, the lights, I got it last week, so this is like 70 pounds, something like that. And yeah, and I will show you how you can transform your video from this into this. So guys, as you can see, it's really simple. All you need to is like 2 lights and the key light, the backlight that I have, and the hair light, which I'm using a spotlight, and I'm using a filler light and a reflector. So which you can get this look that that you're seeing right now. This is what you see, but I will record with my phone. Oh, what I have in my bedroom slash studio, just like everybody calls it like that. And so you can see the setup, how I turn out from that into this. I'll show in a minute. So yeah, now I'm gonna start recording with my phone so you can see like for real what's going on. And yeah, so you can see what you see and what I see. So you saw the room, this is a room, yeah, all the mess and everything. But usually on YouTube, when I upload it, just like anybody else, you don't see it. Nobody shows the mess. It's crazy. And I did it just to show that it's really simple to do it. It took me a few days, so because I was trying different angles, because my room is small. So anyway, if you have a bigger room, it's way better, because you can yeah, you can use I'm using a 50mm. That's why I have this close-up shot, just because I want to blur the background. But I want that, aka the bokeh. So yeah, and just a quick so you can see it, how you see me now, which is I'm not using any software or anything. It's just a light and the camera, but also you can see it here. I don't know, it's not focusing in there, but I will try manually. But if it doesn't, I'm not sure if it will. No, you can't see anything in there because you can't. And so yeah, so this is it. I will upload this one, and yeah guys, I'm gonna try and put 2 parts, or just mix it like that if I can. I know this one is gonna be difficult for me, but yeah. So this is it. I see you in the next one. Peace.